Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying the exact page where numbering must begin. This prevents changing the whole document. Once identified, place your cursor at the end of the previous page and insert a next page section break. Insert breaks next page, so headers and footers can differ. Make sure to enable show /hide formatting marks to confirm the break exists. These steps separate the new section so you can set independent page numbering. They avoid overriding earlier pages and prepare Word to apply a new numeric sequence. Now you edit the header or footer in the section where numbering should start. Double-click into the header/footer and immediately click Link to Previous to disable it. This breaks the connection so changes won't affect earlier sections. Next, insert a page number or select an existing one, choose Page Number Format Page Numbers, and set Start at to one or another desired number. This forces Word to begin the sequence for this section only. Once done, scroll to confirm the first page shows the chosen number. Finish by cleaning up first pages. If the first page of the new section should not show a number, use Header and Footer tools different first page, then delete the visible number just on that first page. Make sure to update your table of contents or other fields. Select the document and press F9, so references match new pagination. If numbering looks incorrect, recheck that the section break is next page, that link to previous is off in both header and footer, and that start at has the correct value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.